Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act, MTP Act. So in this session, we'll get to know the details of this MTP Act. The Supreme Court of India has upheld the rights of an unborn child by rejecting a woman's plea to terminate her 27-week-old pregnancy. So this is why the MTP Act is in news. Now, what is this MTP Act? MTP Act, that is the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971, was passed due to the progress made in the field of medical science with respect to safer abortion. Now, in a historic move to provide universal access reproductive health services, India amended this MTP Act 1971 to further empower women by providing comprehensive abortion care to all. The new Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act amendment means it was amended. So the new Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amendment Act 2021 expands the access to safe and legal abortion services on therapeutic, eugenic, humanitarian, and social grounds to ensure universal access to comprehensive care. Now, there are 3 stages involved where specific abortion guidelines are there. Like up to 20 weeks, termination is allowed on the advice of one doctor, up to 20 weeks. Then second stage, that is 20 to 24 weeks. Termination in this stage is determined by 2 registered medical practitioners. In specific cases like statutory rape, sexual assault, women with disabilities, or a change in the marital status during the pregnancy. This is about 20 to 24 weeks. And after 24 weeks, a medical board in approved facilities must be set up, which can allow or deny termination of pregnancy only if there is a substantial fetal abnormality. All state and united territories are mandated to constitute a medical board consisting of gynecologists, pediatrician, etc. Now, this news, that is that Supreme Court rejected the woman's plea to terminate her 27-week-old pregnancy. So this falls on the third case, right, after 24 weeks. And it was found that the fetal status was also normal. So that's why Supreme Court upheld that decision. And now we have to know what is fetal viability test, means how it is proved that, or how it is found that this fetal is normal or abnormal. This fetal viability test determines the point at which a fetus can survive outside the womb. While Indian courts have interpreted the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act broadly, the concept of fetal viability as a criterion for permitting the abortion is relatively new in India. And this test is based on the landmark 1973 US Supreme Court decision, जिसको हम फेमसली हम जानते हैं जिसके बारे में, वो है रो एंड वेड, Roe versus Wade, so which established the abortion as a constitutional right, allowing it up to the point of fetal viability. Now, this is all about MTP Act, and I hope you also know why Supreme Court came to this decision of rejecting women's plea to terminate her 27-week-old pregnancy. So that's all for today. Thank you.